Hello, welcome in the fourth development update video from SUI and Move course. This will be the last one from the first application. There is still an application more to cover, but the first one is done. I have implemented all the features, so I'm going to preview them right now. Okay, so it looks very similar to the last update, but small differences. We are displaying this badge that we have voted for a proposal. Also, there is a voted button, a voted badge, and also we are hiding or we are disabling the buttons if we have already voted. So vote yes and vote now is not enabled anymore here. Okay, we can try to vote now. So for the proposal, and also I have set up the new wallet because we have been testing also local environment, and for this I had to add a new wallet. So just very quickly, I will change the environment because currently we are on a testnet. I show the testnet environment, devnet environment, and also local environment in the course. I will go to the testnet now, save this. I need to disconnect because I'm connected to the wrong wallet currently. I'll connect the wallet and I want to go to my SUI. Okay, so voting for a proposal, yeah, we can simply vote no here, create a transaction and approve, and this will be processing transaction successful. So now we have voted for this one. The badge displayed immediately. Also all the changes you can see, that's the last update. Everything is displaying in the real time. So as I voted, everything updated. So the badge was updated here that we have voted. Also the vote count was updated that we have voted. And yeah, so that's done. And also about the NFTs, they are displayed here. Yeah, no change here. Okay, so everything is done. Maybe on the front end, there is not much to see from the previous update. Just the result changes and the NFT icon displayed here. But code-wise, will implement a lot of things. We have been testing out different environments. We have a development, local, production, test environment. I've been showing you all of them. A part of the mainnet, we didn't show the mainnet, but development, local, and the test has been shown. So also how to run your local node, so you can try the things locally. So we created a configuration file and all of these commands I showed you for generating the proposals and all of this stuff. So yeah, that's if I can run the node locally, and yeah, that's basically it. There was lots of lectures in between the last update, but it's not really shown visually, but in the code and in the explanations. So that's gonna be it from this update, very quick one. In next update, I will be showing the next application where we'll be working on our own meme coin. And yeah, if you want to see it, just watch the course. See you next one. Cheers.